Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn how to use filter command. Filter is a advanced selection tool. You can use it to select a particular item from a CAD with similar properties. Okay, let's start. Type FI, that is filter, and enter. There are many items in the list which you can select. Suppose, take for example, if you want to change the text height, there are different texts here. Okay, you want to change the height of this smaller text, so let's see what's the height of smaller text in the property toolbar. Okay, it is 6 inch. Okay, now change the height of the text with the 6 inch to 8 inch. Okay, go to filter, select text, add to list. Now you need to select the text height also. Type 6, add to list. So now the text is selected and its height property is also given, so it will select text with the 6 inch height. So give apply and select all the drawing. So as you can see, only 6 inch text is selected. Now with the selection, go to modify, mo, enter, and you can change the text height here. Change it to 8 inch. You can see all the texts are now changed. We'll take one more example. Go to filter again, delete the previous command. Okay, now if you want to change the dimension height, go to dimension, add to list. Since you want to change all the dimensions, you need not give one more command, just select dimension, it will select all the dimensions. Okay, now go to modify, go to fit, change the dimension from 0.5 to 0.75, sorry, 0.75. It's all changed. Similarly, you can use any item from this list. Suppose if you want to select only the circles, you can add circle and give apply and select from the drawing, only the circles will be selected. Similarly, you can go through the list and use it. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.